Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to update drivers on your Windows 11. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! When seeking driver updates, it's important to know that Windows automatically keeps many drivers up to date with Windows Update, which is built into Windows 11. So if there are any minor but necessary updates to common components such as touchpad or USB controllers, Windows will typically take care of them automatically the next time you update your PC. In addition, some driver update as optional update in Windows Update. So what if you want to update your Windows, the driver on your Windows? You can open your settings and check the Windows Update. Check for updates. When you update your Windows, the driver will be automatically updated on your PC. But if you want to check and try to update your drivers manually, you can just click right on the Start menu in here and click on Device Manager. In here, you can check if there is any driver that you need to update manually. Maybe for the example like this one, you can just click right on the drivers. Click right. There is an option update driver. You can just update driver and choose on search automatically for driver. If the driver is unavailable on your Windows, maybe you can download first on the drivers from your from the website. After that, you can just update manually. So simple to update your drivers on your laptop or PC. You can just click right on the drivers and just tap on update and search automatically. If there's an option, if there's note that tells you that the driver is up to date, it means the driver is updated. It's a simple right. So that is how to update drivers in Windows 11. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.